Hello everybody. My name is Ellie. You've been missing your routine at the gym very often, thanks to your busy schedule, or plain laziness, and suddenly you realize that in 1 week you have to attend a wedding. You want to wear your favorite sari or figure-hugging dress but are worried about your flabby stomach bulging out. This makes you worry about how to lose the fat around your tummy. While you cannot reduce fat, you can lose belly fat by decreasing your total body fat percentage. And you don't have to completely alter your daily habits to get a flat stomach within 7 days. Just follow these 7 tips to reduce belly and flaunt your abs the way you have always dreamt of. 1. Circuit training. If you want to build muscle and burn fat at the same time, you have to perform circuit training 3 days per week. How can you achieve this? Indulge in full body exercises like lunges, push-ups, and pull-ups, for one set of 15 repetitions. Don't forget to follow every exercise with 1 minute of jumping rope. You should be able to burn around 500 to 600 calories per workout. 2. Go for abdominal muscles workout. If wondering how to lose tummy fat quickly, then include abdominal muscles workout in your tips to reduce belly list. So this 3 times in the week. Crunches and leg raises for 3 sets of 20 repetitions should be done. Also, do planks by holding your body in a push-up position on your elbows for 30 to 60 seconds for 4 sets. 3. Check your food. The kind of food you will eat in this period is vital in bringing about any change. Natural foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grain breads and pastas, chicken, beef, fish and low-fat dairy should replace processed foods full of sugar. Over your hips. Pull yourself up, like one would do while doing crunches, ensuring that your hands reach towards your feet. Bring your arms back overhead, lowering your right leg towards the floor. Repeat the same with left leg. Repeat 20 times. Lie down with your back onto the floor. Bring your hands behind your head. Start with your legs bent at approximately 45 degrees angle. Bring the right knee into the chest while straightening out your left leg. At the same time, rotate your top half, bringing. 4. Avoid salt. To minimize water retention, lower your sodium intake. This means you need to avoid salt. You can flavor your food with other herbs and spices instead. 5. Drink water. Have adequate water to flush away those toxins. This will give you dual benefits of a glowing skin and a flat tummy. Drinking water does not only mean having gallons of water in a day, but also drinking healthy drinks like green teas with antioxidants and fresh vegetable and fruit juice. 6. Stay away from alcohol. Alcohol can make your stomach feel bloated. To get that perfect tummy for a figure-hugging dress or silk sari, stay away from having any alcohol for this week at least. 7. Say bye-bye to stress. Stressing and anxiety can cause the overproduction of a certain hormone called cortisol, which encourages weight gain about the belly area. So try to keep your cool. Common exercises to reduce belly fat. Here are some common exercises that you should do when trying to reduce your waistline. Bear crawl. Start with coming on all fours. Your hips should be in line with your knees and hands below your shoulders. Lift your knees slightly above the ground. Make sure your back is flat, legs hip width apart and arms shoulder width apart. Move your right hand and left leg forward. Now do the same with the other leg and hand. Repeat the move while alternating sides. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back with legs stretched and arms resting by your side. Put your hand behind your head, do not interlock them, and try to lift your shoulders and upper back off the ground. At the same time, bend your left knee and bring it towards your chest and move your right elbow towards the center. Your knees and elbow should meet in the middle. Pause and then take your leg and hand to the starting point. Perform the same exercising with the other elbow and knee. Sit-ups. Lie down on your back with your knees bent and feet placed firmly on the ground. Place both your hands behind your head, without pulling on your neck. Now lift your upper body off the ground up toward your knees. Do not forget to breathe out when you do so. Hold on for 2 to 3 seconds, then slowly lower yourself down, to return to your starting point. Breathe in when you go down. Flutter kicks. Lie on your back with your legs together and hands underneath your buttocks. Lift your right leg off the ground slightly past the hip height. At the same time, lift the left leg so it hovers a few inches off the floor. Your back should be on the ground. Hold this position for 5 seconds, then switch the position of the legs, making a flutter kick motion. To make this exercise more challenging, lift your head and neck off the floor. V-ups. Lie on your back and extend your arms behind your head. Your feet should be kept together and toes pointed. Keeping your legs straight, lift them up and at the same time raise your upper body off the floor. Keeping your core tight, reach out for your toes. Lower yourself and return back to the original position. To find out more about health and fitness content, visit more video this channel.